Tapos yung mukha, ito may top, ito yung chin, ano? So, dito sa chin doon. Okay. Dito sa top ng head. Okay. Ngayon, lagyan pa natin ang lines doon para sa mata. Para sa mata. Para sa lips, dito sa lips niya. Ayan. Para sa eyebrows, doon, at para sa eyes. Okay. Ngayon, yan na. So, yung mukha mo is pear shape. So, pear, parang pear. Okay. Okay. Tapos yung lips, gawin natin kissable kasi yung lips mo kissable. Lagyan natin na gano'n. Okay, lips yan. Ngayon yung nose, gawin mo muna ng eyebrows. So, medyo makapal ang eyebrows niya. Okay. Yan, gawa kayo ang nose. Okay, nose. Tapos yung eyes. Okay. Lagyan mo ng pupils. Ayan, okay. Ayan. Okay, ayan. Lagyan na ng ears. Yung ears daw, yung mahabang ears mo. Yung mahaba daw, mahabang buhay. Okay, ayan. Ganda yung face. Lagyan mo na ng hair. Okay. Okay. Yung mukha na. Ayan. Ayan. Pag natapos na, pwede nang i-erase yung lines. No? Lines. Ngayon, nagtahar ba kayo nito? Kasi pwede rin na kung ito. Kung may scrap paper, pwede nyo i-ganyan. No? Kuha kayo ng ganyan. Kulay nyo sa mukha. Ganyan. No? Para itim. Kasi lalo yung nag-itim. Okay. O madali, di ba? O gawa kayo ngayon ng face. Drawing kayo ba yan? Okay. Ito, kaninong pencil to? Oh, kaninang pencil ko? I'll give you 5 minutes to do that. Okay. Hanggang 1:54. Kaninang pencil ko? Ang mga medium, ito, this is known as charcoal. Because pencil is made of charcoal, okay? Ito, yung ginawa ni Audrey, ganito. Panoorin nyo to, yung pinagtaharan. Halika. Ito, yung pinagtaharan. Halika. Yung pinagtaharan ng pencil, pwede nyo pangkulay, okay?
Smudge lang.
Kuha nyo? Okay? Pangkulay ngayon yan. Pang shade, no? Yan. Okay, yung pwede nyo kulayan. Iitim. Yan. Okay? Okay, ganyan. Oh, you start now.
Okay. First assignment, you draw a face now.
Okay.
Your face. Try drawing a face.
Tapos, Audrey, ano pa yung bati ko eh? You have lots of that canvas or
Yes, sir.
ilan?
I want 4 lang.
4.
We can help with my group.
May group. Okay, gawin na lang natin. Meron kaming dalang pa. Yan. Hindi, yung...
Meron sila.
yung dinonate ni Kwan, siya mag-distribute mamaya. At sure ko yung 13 simple yan. Demonstrate nyo dyan kaya. Use the big brush to sorry, big brush to taste smaller brushes. Dale, cuando yo lagi mo tayo ng bigay mo yung ganyan. Okay, start na. O, yun ang guide mo. So, sige, pakita. Yung fan, yung pinagtahanan ni Audrey, gamitin yung pang sheet. Yeah. You have 2 minutes more. Sige, painting kasi kita. Yakin lang sa sumali. Kaya hindi tayo tayo sulat yan. Araw ng parang ako. Hindi tayo dyan, pati Perez, at award niya. Art bank, siguro. Prepare the snacks. Hindi tayo dyan mag- Dahil yung kumali, logo ng Smith. Di ba? Pagpapirmahan. Logo ng Smith niya. Yan next to Smith ng Israel. Send yung Smith is with the parang sulat natin usually sa amin na pagkakas. Ano man pa sa exams yun, pero ano ba ito? Royal to may kanti kasi talit yung daycare center na 20 yan, di ko pick.
Sir, malpas de kanipis. Study na next year. Tayo dito yung year. Baka...
Yan na. So ito naman pa sa exams ko naman dito yung mga pa sa exams si college na. Kawalan sa siguro. May this one. Ay, thanks. They are. Spray. Uy, galing! Yan. Medyo lang, dagdagan mo ng anak na buhok at kunting mo. Okay, you write your names. Pakisulat yung pangalan and the date today. Ano yung date today? Ay September 13. Today is actually Friday the 13th. Hindi ako niwala dyan. Don't believe in Friday the 13th. Okay? So you write your names. Okay? I'll give you 30 seconds. You write your name, finish or unfinish. Write your name and then the date today, September 10. In 15 seconds, you will pass your paper. Okay, so Halil and Lee, collect na yung collect their artworks.
This is 1080p, 60 frames per second with a Rocksteady cable. Currently we are in Sheikh Zayed in Dubai, the famous business district here.
Bigay ng then si Norben magbibigay ng mga kasi kayo ay first time na mag-paint pa. Okay? Palakpakan natin ang mga young artist ng Lola Ate Barangay. Now, Audrey, this is what we will do. So, we'll be able to monitor the progress. Ano, kukunin namin yan. Then we'll schedule another architecture for them. Ibang medium ito using charcoal. I-develop natin kasi may mga magaling sa ganito na medium. Okay? So, after this, schedule din natin matapos ang exams ng college. May mga kasama si Karel and Lee na magagaling din. Kasama natin nagagawa din sa mural. Okay? So, i-collect ang mga to para makassess natin. Yung names niyo, yung put your names in the name. See? Kami na JD dito, Abora, na-inspire pag ganyan ang nakikita namin. Ang daming creative na children dito. Pati parents, I'm sure maraming creative parents. Karel, saan si Karel? Nagkikinig ba?
Very good, everyone. You did your best.
May we have your attention? Karel is one of our best na students sa art. No? Kasama niya dito si Lee. Mga graduates sila ng special program for the arts. So, makinig kayo kung paano mag-paint sa canvas, okay? Yan, so... Ang secret is just enjoy what you're doing. Right? Enjoy. Just enjoy. Just play. Sa ang guide nyo, tingin lang kayo kay Karel, ha? And, Para si Sisto. SK officers, if you are here. Mga sagot ng kapuntahan. The parents, you can join us in the grandparents. Masaya tayo. Okay.
Okay, say Luwalhati. Luwalhati.
Barangay.
Okay, good job everyone.
Okay, congratulations.
Yay!
Okay.
You can already go home na.
Everybody to be creative in Baguio. So that when people will come to Baguio, they'll say, wow, galing ng Baguio. They're truly creative. Young, the middle-aged generation and the older generation, they're into art. They're creative in so many respects. They can maybe draw, they can paint, they can sing, they can dance, they can cook. That's the art of gastronomy. They can plant. That's the art of gardening. And they can speak well. The art of public speaking. Yan. So, sa urban gardening naman, hopefully, we'll all be one in greening Baguio. We'd like a green Baguio. Because once Baguio is green, we are first secured of safe food for everyone because it's organic. Because we planted it. We will be breathing all fresh air because the air has been duly processed by the absorption of carbon monoxide and carbon monoxide by our trees, our bamboos, our plants. So when we have a lot of these kinds of species sprouting all over Baguio, now we are assured of fresh, clean air. And of course, when we have plants around, the area is beautiful. The city of Baguio is definitely beautiful because we have lots of plants around. And fourthly, it's also good for holding the soil so that it will help reduce landslides because the roots of special kinds of plants like bamboos and trees, they hold our soil from possible erosion. And of course, the reason is it's one way of combating climate change because trees, shrubs, bamboos, plants, they contribute to reducing the carbon footprints that destroy the natural environments that we have. And so many more. So that's it. We want everybody to be educated. We want everybody to love what we are doing. We want everybody to get involved in urban agriculture. There's even what they call agri-eco-tourism arrangements so that we can make Baguio as an agricultural, as farming, as an ecological tourism destination north of the Philippines. We can do that in Baguio if we work as a team. Kaya yun kung ginagawa natin, we are going around the communities in Baguio educating people. And we are very happy with the participation and reaction of people. In fact, just this morning, we had residents, senior citizens from Upper QM and Lower QM and General Emilio F. Aguinaldo Barangay. They visited the first Leon Art Museum which we put up last April 25, 2024. So it's free for everyone to come and view, free admission pa yun.
Ano po yung mga future plans po for these both projects niyo? Ano po yung mga plano niyo po kung gawin to possibly expand or to continue this project?
We want to bring this program to all the corners of Baguio and the 128 barangays and all the organizations and agrupations in Baguio. Paki-mention na kasama ko dyan si JD sa inyong article. And of course, Dexter because he's a member of the board. The Urban Gardening Association. I-mention niyo si Atty. Jonathan Tambol, as our president, I'm the chairman, president si Jonathan. Then kasama din namin yan si aming sekretaryo, IPMR ng Camp 7, si Marvin Binayan, and Albert Talupan, siya aming treasurer. Aming mga officials. Saka si Geoffrey Sapit, who is working at the municipal fire.
And any message po sa mga naging participants na they love both arts and yung sa urban budget? Ano parang message nyo po sa kanila?
My message is simple. Let's jump together. Let's, in short, let's work together in making this a regular activity for the people in the barangays, in the communities. Merong ganito. Because one, Baguio has always been known as the first and the first creative city in the Philippines, UNESCO, and second, this is also known as a vegetable urban center. Lahat ito sama-samahin. And bottom line, the end result ay magiging progresibo pa. Especially in urban gardening, you are assured of food security. Alright?